welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a favorites. I feel like I have so many things that I've been loving and using and doing over the past couple of weeks that I wanted to share everything with you guys. I've teamed up with Neutrogena for a portion of this video, which I will get into later. They have come out with a really cool tool that's for skincare that's like changing the game. It's so cool, but we'll get into that later. First of all, I wanted to talk about the questions that I've been getting on Instagram about my new jeans. I posted a little story and I was like, I found these new Levi's, and you guys were like, tell us about the Levi's, tell us about the jeans. So I have wanted a pair of like really good high-waisted kind of like mom jeans for a while, and my body type just like does not fit into jeans like that. Like it just doesn't look good in jeans like that. I've loved that look for so long, but just, I don't know, I feel like my midsection is always my problem area, and then when I try jeans on like that, I can try on like 3 sizes bigger than my normal size, and 3 sizes smaller. Like it doesn't matter the size, they just never fit right. And so I had heard Tony Sebdalis talk about these specific pair of Levi jeans for a long time. I think they were called like the 501, what were they called? I don't know, I'll write it right here. But this certain pair of jeans, and she said she got them at Aritzia. So last weekend I went shopping and I went into Aritzia. I was like, can I try on these jeans? And I was like, I want a blue pair and a black pair. And I thought for sure I needed to size up, because I always do in jeans that are like tight around the waist and big everywhere else. For some reason, they're always like so tight on the waist that it just looks bad and it looks like a muffin top. So I was like, I definitely need a size or 2 up, and I want both colors. So she brought him into the room, and I feel like jeans like that, it is good to like hear an experience from someone else to know kind of what size, or just go into the store and try them on. But if you don't have an Aritzia or a place to buy Levi's and you want to get them online, and that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. So I wish I would have known this going in. So I went in there, tried them on, and I was like, like they're just okay. And it was the blue pair, and I was like, okay, they're just kind of okay. They kind of flatten out my butt, and they still feel a little snug on the waist, and I just feel like they didn't like flatter me. So then I tried on the black pair, and she's like, every pair runs different. It doesn't matter if they're the same type, so just try them on to make sure the size is right. And I was like, okay, whatever. So I tried on the black pair, and they fit so different. And I was like, oh, I really actually like the black pair. And she's like, oh, you know what? I gave you a different kind on accident. We only had the 501 skinnies in the black, so I gave you those. And I was like, okay, those are what I like, the 501 skinnies. So if you guys want a jean similar to this, I'll insert clips so you guys can see what they look like on. For reference, I am 5'3". I'm about 128 pounds right now. I still have a couple more pounds to lose before I get to like my pre-baby weight, but I feel like they actually suit me so well. So normally when I'm at my normal weight, which is like 5 pounds smaller, I'm about a size 26. But right now I feel like I'm a little bit bigger, and I feel like I'm kind of on that cusp to where 27 would fit better. But you guys, 27 did not work. 26 actually feels a tiny bit too big. When I wore them for the whole day, I felt like I could have gone smaller if I wanted to, but I do like to just feel comfortable. I like to move. I'm always picking up the baby or the dog or something, so jeans that like are actually comfortable feel good. So that I got to size down to, I guess you could say size down 1 size, or like a half a size. If you're normally like 26 or 27, I went down to 26 in these, and they have a little bit of stretch, which I think makes all the difference. If you have a body type similar to mine, if you just don't have like the perfect Instagram body like I don't, then these jeans like just make your body look so much better. So I am obsessed with them. The length is perfect, the cut is perfect. It's just that stretch. Something about that stretch makes them feel so much more comfortable, and they look so much better on your body, but they don't look like they're stretched if someone's just looking at you. Like they look like the typical Levi's. So love them. Got them from Aritzia. I'll link them down below. They're the 501 skinnies. I got the gray black pair and the blue pair that I'm wearing now, and I just think they're awesome. They're so like exactly what I was looking for. I think they make your butt look good, they make your waist look tiny, and they make your legs look good too. So obsessed. I do have a couple of beauty favorites this month that I've been loving recently too. So the first is a foundation. This is the Beauty Blender foundation. I bought this maybe about a month and a half ago. I have used it every single day since then. It can really transform into any look. So I'd say the finish is very natural, a little bit on the glowy side, but if you are oily, I think it'd still work for you. I have it in the shade at 3.3, which is a perfect kind of like neutral on the olive side, medium toned. It's perfect for me. So this is just a great foundation. It's called the Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. It really is longwear. I can usually put it on at like 9, 10 a.m. and it lasts until like 9, 10 at night. It really does last all day. I never have to touch up. I never look oily or shiny. And it just looks nice like throughout the whole day. I'd say it's medium to full coverage, but it can definitely be built upon and it can be layered. So if I just want to go for a more natural day, I'll just do a very light layer of this with a little powder on top and I'm good to go. If I want a little bit more, I'll just do 2 layers of this all over. And if I want like full coverage glam, I'll mix a little bit of my NARS foundation in with this. So like when I'm doing a photo shoot or anything like that and I want like really full coverage, I'll mix it with the NARS. But like today I just have on like a light layer all over. My eyes and lips are a little bit darker, so I feel like it looks kind of more glam, but I don't have that much on in terms of foundation. But it's just a really beautiful, nice everyday foundation. If you're in the market just to have one foundation that you can wear on your light days or your glam days and kind of up the coverage depending on how many layers or how much you put on, this is definitely a good foundation to have. I'm obsessed. Okay, and this lipstick has been a total favorite. It's from Bobbi Brown. It's one of their new Luxe Matte Lip Colors. This is in the shade Nude Reality, and I have it on today. I do have it on with gloss on top, but it is the perfect baby pink matte lip. It lasts all day. I just love a matte lipstick. It's like my favorite. But then I kind of go crazy and like add gloss on top. I just feel like I just want to do more and more every day, so I add gloss on top. But a matte lip is like my favorite. Isn't that just a pretty, it's like a cool toned medium pink. It is so nice. The formula is just so smooth. It's matte, but it's not drying. It just makes your lips look like plump and healthy. And definitely since I've had Julian, I don't really love a matte lipstick. I like something where I can kiss him and it's not gonna come off, or I can hug him, or he can like push his face against my face. So I'm not gonna get makeup all over him. So that is a really great formula. I have noticed that I have all the shades, they sent them to me, and I noticed that they're all a little bit pink. I really wish there was more of like a true nude or like a brown shade or just different tones. They're all like different shades of pink, at least the ones that I have. So I'm definitely gonna be interested if they come out with more shades. Maybe they have more shades and I'm just unaware, but this Nude Reality is a great neutral mid-tone like everyday pink. If you're into pink and you like a matte lip, you're gonna love this one. It's so good. And the packaging is just really pretty too. It's like nice heavy duty gold packaging. So moving on to hair, I have found a new holy grail item that I am obsessed with. I love the brand Way. You can get it at Sephora. It's by Jen Atkins. She's like a celebrity hairstylist. Every product I've tried from her is amazing. The oil, the shampoo, conditioner, like everything is just so good. So every time I try something new, I'm like, why did I wait so long to try that? Okay, you guys, if the lighting has changed or if I'm in different positions, sorry. Julian has woken up from a nap like 3 times already. Colby's had to go out, so I've been getting up and down throughout every product. But back to what I was saying, I picked up a bottle of the Way Texturizing Hairspray. This is so good. So it's a texture spray. It's kind of like a, I don't think they market it as like a sea salt or like a wave spray, but it kind of gives that vibe where it gives your hair just like tons of volume and texture and pieciness, beachiness, that look that I love, but it also has tons of hold. So like for example, I curled my hair like this yesterday morning at like 8 a.m. and I went and did, there's Colby. So I curled my hair like this at around 8 a.m. yesterday, and then all day long from about like 9 to 4 o'clock we were shooting photos. So that means I was like changing in and out of shirts and sweaters and stuff to just like messing up my hair over and over again. I was brushing it a million times. I didn't like respray it with this, just brushing it, messing it up, brushing it, messing it up. And then this morning I worked out, I took a shower, I had my hair up in a bun the whole time. You guys, all I have done to it today so far is just brush it. That is it. I have not re-teased it. I have not put in any sprays or anything. I haven't recurled one piece, like nothing. This hairspray is awesome. Something about it just gives you so much hold while still feeling like fluffy and light. It just feels like real hair. It doesn't feel crunchy or anything. The smell is really great too, but it just gives your hair like the best texture and hold. I'm obsessed. So this is the Way Texturizing Hairspray. If you guys want to know how I got this look, I used my T3 World Trio. I love that wand. Basically, it's just a wand that comes with 3 different like size attachments. So I used the 1-inch and I just did curls and I went in varying directions and I brushed it out so it kind of got like bigger and more of a wave look, and I love it. Next up, I want to share with you guys a product that I've been loving recently. So I'm going to insert a clip here of me with no makeup on from earlier this morning. So I'm going to be trying out the Neutrogena Skin 360 and the Skin Scanner. So you can download the app and then you get the Skin Scanner. It goes right over your phone. So cool. It has LED lights and a 30x magnification, so it can really instantly get like super up close photos of your skin, and it can also like instantly assess the moisture levels and everything in your skin. So it is so cool. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. Take your selfie so you can have before and after pictures. Start scan. If you can hear Julian, he's just playing. So it says, first we're going to take a closer look at your forehead. Tap the highlighted zone to begin. Turn your phone around so the back is facing you. Gently place this tool flush against your forehead. When you feel your phone vibrate, remove it. Ooh, oh my God, what was that? What is that? How cool is this? Okay, then you take a selfie. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know if I like seeing my skin that up close. I definitely have a lot of hair going on. Maybe I should fix that situation. Why do I have so much hair on my face? I'm just so excited about this because I feel like my skin has been in a place where I'm doing everything I've always done. I'm using really great skincare. I'm doing my routines. I never like don't take care of my skin, so I don't know why it's breaking out, but I do know that since I got pregnant, had Julian, now postpartum, my skin is totally different than it was before I ever got pregnant or anything like that. So I'm kind of at this place now where I don't know what to do, and the things I've always done aren't working. So I'm just like so excited about this. Okay, your Skin 360 score. I got an 84 out of 100. My moisture levels are at 73. My pores are at 93 and my fine lines are at 88. So then you do it once a week so you can check the progress of your skin. Okay, so right here it's saying that Neutrogena Skin 360 has identified that moisture is actually my biggest area that I need to improve on, and that my skin definitely needs a boost. It can feel dry, rough, flaky. It's definitely been flaky lately, and just like even it doesn't matter how much foundation I put on, like it just feels like my skin just needs like a break, and it's just not gonna like cover up with anything. So this is so interesting. Also said like environments can play a big part in it, which it's getting like still cold here now, so that definitely makes sense. Avoid long hot showers. That's something I do like every day because that's like my relaxation time. But this is so cool. So it gives you tips on what to do, and then right here you can actually choose regimen, and it will actually share products that are recommended for your skin, like not for anyone else. This is totally customized, which I think is so cool. So it's letting me know that I could try the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Cleansing Lotion or the Makeup Remover Wipes. To treat, I could do the Hydra Boost Hydrating Mask. I actually want to get that. That seems like really nice. And then the daily moisturizer with sunscreen. Nighttime moisturizer is their Hydra Boost Gel Cream for extra dry skin. And it also wants me to use an SPF 30, their Dry Touch sunscreen. So I can actually just purchase the items right through the app. So I'm gonna get the mask. And I'm gonna get the extra dry skin cream. You guys, how cool is this? Okay, so I am actually going to get all of these products that it's recommending to me and try them out, and then scan my skin again in a week and see the difference so I can get closer to 100. So if you guys want to try one, you can go to skin360app.com. I'll have the link down below, as well as a $10 off promo code. So you guys can check it out, join the community over there so more people can learn about the skin scanner. I think this is just such a great, innovative idea, something we can all do easily at home. It's so much more accessible and affordable than going to the dermatologist, but it's like just as good as going to the dermatologist or a med spa. It's so cool. You guys know how I feel about skincare, and putting your skin, like taking care of your skin, is so important. So So I'm just really excited to partner with Neutrogena. I hope you guys enjoyed this section. So I'll have links to all of that down below and everything that I talked about in today's video. But October has just been a very long month. Halloween was so much fun. We had so much fun when our friends came over, our family came over, and we did trick-or-treating with the babies. It was so cute. Julian dressed up as a monkey. I'll insert a little picture here. It was adorable. He was so sweet and fun. He fell asleep like really early though. He must have got like pooped and tired out from having all the people over and all the commotion that he fell right asleep, but it was so cute. We got all the really cute pictures and videos of him so we can like remember it forever. This month we also moved our clothing store into our new office. So if you guys are new to my channel, my husband Michael and I opened an online clothing store last February, so it'll be a year next February. It's been about what, 10 months now, and it was all ran out of our house for a while, and it was just getting a lot bigger and it wasn't able to fit into our house anymore. So it's just been so much fun moving into that new office. I filmed a couple of vlogs on it, but that is definitely a favorite. I think it's something that Michael and I really needed to separate work and home life a little bit. I think it's gonna be just so good to have kind of like our own space here. That way all the girls that work at the store can work at the office, and we just kind of have like a central place for everyone to be and meet up. It's also has a spot where Michael and I can film videos, so I'm working on setting that up as well. So if you guys want to see a tour and all of that, you guys can check out our vlog channel. I've been filming a lot about that, but that has been like the biggest favorite of the month, and it's been the best thing for Michael and I and for Julian, just to have some separation and be able to just have our home be like our relaxation and like safe space and like just quiet space. So that's been really nice. We've just been trying to enjoy being at home. I kind of like got out of the mode of like decorating for a while because I was like, ugh, the house is just full with inventory and clothes and paperwork and all this stuff that it just didn't feel like a home anymore. It felt like an office all the time. So now it really feels good. Like it just kind of helps your mental to know like, okay, everything is cleared out, it's moved into that office, I can go there and focus on it when I'm there, but when I come home I can be kind of like in my home. So I've been getting back into decorating. I bought some really cool stuff, and actually when Mallory was here she kind of helped me get some new ideas too. So I have like some really exciting things to share with you guys soon. Definitely going to be doing a lot of decorating videos in the near future. I went and bought like all of our holiday decorations, so we're gonna start decorating for that soon, and just like a lot of fun stuff. So I know you guys love decor videos. They're a little bit harder to put together because they cost me a lot of money and things take a long time to get in. Like buying furniture, you can order something and it can take like 6 months to get to you. It's so crazy, but definitely we'll have some decor updates for you guys soon. We're gonna be going to our condo in Florida for Thanksgiving. I know you guys want to see an update on that. We've had a lot of furniture delivered there too and done a little bit more updates. So I'll definitely do another update when we go over there. But yeah, it's been just kind of a low-key month. We've been moving into the office, just working a lot. My favorites have definitely been just hanging out with our family. We had our friends come stay with us for a week. That was so fun. So things like that. Not as much products this month because I've just been sticking to this routine. You guys, I curl my hair and I wear my Beauty Blender foundation and my lipstick every day. I've been wearing these jeans or like leggings every day with my dad's shoes, you guys. I'm obsessed with these like dad tennis shoes. These are from Louis. I know they're not everyone's favorite, so if you don't like them, it's okay. It doesn't hurt my feelings. You don't have to leave a comment. I know the majority of people don't like them, but for those that do like them and want to see, here, I'll show you. I got the navy ones, the peach in the back. They're really pretty. I'm obsessed. If you're into fashion, then you probably get it. If you're not, then you're like, what are those? But I think they're so cool. I've always loved like unique, fun shoes. I mean, they're just shoes. If you can't have fun like with your shoes and be crazy with your shoes, like what the heck, you know? So I just love to do fun things. I'll wear a simple outfit, like just a black t-shirt and jeans and those shoes, and I just feel like it looks fun and different, and it's just a cool look that I like wearing. So those have definitely been a favorite too. Another update, I just bought all of the stuff for my holiday gift guides. Those are all gonna start being delivered this week, so we have a lot of fun things coming. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I make new videos every week on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, decor, all kinds of topics. Check out our vlog channel. We are gonna be doing Vlogmas this year, so we're gonna be vlogging every day from December 1st through the 25th. So that's going to be coming up in less than a month. We're so excited. So definitely check that out. Thanks again to Neutrogena for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. If you guys want to check out the skin scanner and the app, I'll have all the details down below. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.